So check it out. Still working on a lot of the parts that I got from a recent estate sale. Still building motors and building S2 switchers. And this is another Lehigh Valley. This is the second one that I got from that collection. It's a collection of Brian Gergel. He was a customizer that lived here in Corning, New York. And I never met Brian, but he really did some nice work, and I'm glad I was able to preserve some of his artwork. The second one is a Penn Central that I'm sure Brian painted. And I added 19-volt LEDs to them for the headlights, and got them hooked up together here. And so I thought I'd take them both for a spin. You can check them out. Here we go. K-line engines seem to run really good together. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit this way so I can get a better side view of them. Had to replace a couple of missing traction tires too, but that's no big deal. That's pretty easy to do. And we'll pick the camera up this time around and kind of follow them. I locked the boards in place so that they'd run together, and that's pretty easy to do. It has the selector switch on the bottom of them. I have the parts to build a couple more, so I might put my Hershey switcher back on an original K-line frame and maybe paint the trucks gray, because I really like the gray color that I had on the Marx truck covers. And I've got both of my Searchlight cars. I really like those. K-line did a nice job on those. Alright, so as I said, I've got parts to probably build a couple more. So we'll see where we go and what projects we work on next. But thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.